Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your phone screen constantly freezes and throws a frustrating System UI not responding error, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to clear out the corrupted system files causing this so your device runs smoothly immediately. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Apps or App Management menu. Tap the filter icon or the three dots menu. Turn on Show System Apps, search for Android System, tap on Storage, and hit Clear Cache. This step is crucial because the System UI relies directly on these core background files, and wiping their temporary cache instantly removes the corrupted data causing the crashes. If you don't see the filter option, just tap the three dots in the top right corner of your Apps menu to reveal the hidden system apps. Next, if your screen is completely frozen and you cannot even touch the settings, we need to force a reboot. Simply press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the exact same time. Keep holding both buttons down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes completely black. This physically cuts the power cycle to the hardware, forcing your phone to shut down and bypass the frozen software. If your phone just takes a screenshot when you press the buttons, simply ignore it and keep holding them down until the device powers off. Finally, while the phone is completely off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button together until the dark Android recovery screen appears. Use your volume keys to scroll down to Wipe Cache Partition and press the power button to select it. Select Yes to confirm, and then select Reboot System Now to turn your phone back on. Doing this safely deep cleans the foundational system files of your device, permanently fixing the UI glitch without deleting any of your personal photos, contacts, or apps. If you don't see the recovery menu and your phone just turns on normally, simply power it off and try holding the button combination again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.